Over 60? One simple morning habit could change the way you feel every single day. Many seniors feel tired in the morning without knowing the real reason. Low energy, slow digestion, and stiff joints can make mornings difficult. But one small drink before breakfast may help your body feel more active. And the best part? It is simple, cheap, and easy to make at home. Today, we'll talk about warm lemon water before breakfast. This gentle morning habit has become popular among older adults. Warm lemon water may help wake up your digestive system naturally. After age 60, digestion often becomes slower than before. Some people feel bloated or heavy after meals. A warm drink in the morning may help the stomach feel calmer. Lemons also contain vitamin C, which supports the immune system. As we age, keeping the immune system strong becomes more important. Many seniors do not drink enough water during the day. Starting the morning with warm lemon water may help hydration. Hydration supports the brain, muscles, and joints. Some seniors even say they feel lighter after a few days. Others notice smoother digestion and less discomfort. Warm lemon water may also encourage healthier morning habits. Healthy mornings often lead to healthier choices all day long. Making the drink is very simple. First, heat 1 cup of water until warm, not boiling. Then squeeze half a fresh lemon into the cup. Stir gently and drink it slowly before breakfast. There is no need to rush. Slow and peaceful mornings are often healthier for the body. Some people add honey for taste. But too much sugar should still be avoided. Fresh lemons are usually the best choice. Bottled drinks may contain extra sugar or artificial ingredients. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even small healthy habits can make a difference over time. Remember, this is not a magic cure. Healthy aging also needs sleep, movement, and balanced meals. Still, many people enjoy starting the day with this simple drink. Some seniors say it helps them feel refreshed in the morning. Others enjoy the calming morning routine itself. Warm lemon water may also help reduce morning sluggishness. Simple routines are often easier to maintain. And healthy routines can build stronger daily habits. Before trying anything new, talk to your doctor if needed. Especially if you have stomach problems or take medications. Everyone's body is different. The goal is to support your body gently and naturally. Healthy aging starts with small daily choices. One simple habit repeated daily can become powerful over time. Your mornings do not need to feel heavy and exhausting. Sometimes, small changes create the biggest results. So tomorrow morning, try starting your day a little differently. Over 60? This simple morning habit may be worth trying every day.